Hello everybody. I need to make this video just to quickly go over my April month, my success on April and what I've done so far for the month of April. And I don't wanna waste any time since we living in a time that required a lot of time to do pretty much everything. I did manage to add another car. I was looking online, and actually I have one customer who reached out to me, and she said to me that, "Hey Rose, do you have a car that can take seven people?" And then I was like, "Really? You need a car that can take seven people?" So I went and started looking onto website, and I went to this website called HGreg, which this is not, by the way, this is not a website that I shopped in there. That's where I buy pretty much all my cars. But this is they're not paying me for any commission by mentioning their website. So this is just where I purchase. I like to buy my car in legit places so they can be in good shape. And if anything would have happened, they take good care of my car. So all my cars are in very good conditions, and I end up buying this Pathfinder right here, this 2015 Nissan. But the main reason why I buy it, because me and my wife, we like to do road trip. Since we like road trip, I saw it was only 17K, and I had the money in my bank. I just went in and picked it up. Very easy. I give them some price. They were able to work something out with me, so I ended up picking up the car. It had a 73,000 miles on it, but I thought about it. I'm like, hey, maybe I can make that money back if I put it on Turo. And I try to turn everything to asset. So everything that I have now, even my house, I feel like putting it on Airbnb, and whenever someone rent it out, just go live it with my mother-in-law or something. But I'm not gonna do that. I love my house very much, so I don't want people to but yeah, if you can turn everything you have to asset, like cars and your phone, and yeah, that's a great idea. So I mean, Turo is not my only business, but I actually sell stuff online, as you can see here. Just today, the 27th April, I made $1,000. Yesterday, I made $2,000. So a few days ago, I made $2,500. So I've been pretty consistently making some good money. The last 7 days, I make $6K. I mean, Turo is not my only business, but I like the idea, and I did add this car, and I think because I add that car, it increases my earning, of course, which I'm sure everyone want to see the earning. So for this month, it looks like I was close to make $2,000. I feel like I was gonna make $2,000. The main reason why I didn't make $2,000 because I listed this car on the 18th. My Pathfinder, I didn't put that in on the platform until like the 18th of April. But if I have it from the 1st till probably the last day, I probably would have make a lot of money. And as you can see, so far for the May, I'm already pending for $793 right now. Trip booked already for May. So business is not too bad, and I feel like I can really make some good money. I mean, this car, I bought it for $22,000. I bought my Mercedes $22,000. The whole total tax and fees add up to $30K somehow. But I'm already make $3,000. It already made me $3,197. So that's not too bad. That's $27,000 to go. And the car, people barely drive it. Still have 58,000 miles on it. So because nobody actually drives the car. When they rent it out, they just have it for beauty. So I take good advantage, and I have 3 cars in my house, so I don't have to really use the Mercedes. So I know my wife love it. It's very smooth, but we, in fact, I'm trying to. She's actually gonna be working for me, so she won't need to drive to go anywhere at all. So clearly, Turo is not that bad. I don't think it's gonna work for everybody. Depends on your plan. But all I can tell you, in order for you to be successful with Turo, first you need to make sure you have help. You need a car. You need the car you want to put on Turo. Then you need a car to drop off the car you put on Turo. So what I mean by it, let's say right now, I have those two cars. I don't just have those two cars. If I have a drop off, if I have to go drop this car at 7 a.m., I will hop on, drive to the airport, bring it to the person, and while I'm driving, someone is behind me with a different car. Not this car. I have another third car. That third car, they're following me to the airport. And when I get there, I drop off the key, then I head back instead of taking an Uber back. Because if you take an Uber back, then that's money you get out. So that's why I don't think people who's single, who's doing tour by themselves, there's no way they make enough profit. Tour will be profit if you have a partner. If you have transportation back and forth, you have to do tour with someone in order to see the real profit on it. And this is why I'm so grateful for my wife, and she's willing to help me. She liked the idea. She liked the business idea, even though she's so used to my online business. But for the most part, she's okay with this one. We like going to the car wash, cleaning those cars. I feel like it's a family activities. So we started having fun with it. We like the idea of meeting people. They're so excited when they see the cars nice and clean. So this is all I have to say. Clearly, this month was April was a good month, and as you can see, I made $1,900. So, I mean, if you're someone who, I'm pretty sure right now this probably don't mean this is like change to me, but don't get me wrong, but I'm thinking, hey, that's still good money for two cars, and then I didn't even add the car. So I'm excited to see May. I know May is not gonna be a great month because I have so many days blocked for May because I'm going on vacation. I had to take a time off, so I'm not gonna be renting the car a lot on May. But as you can see, so far I'm already at $793, so which is not bad at all. But I am looking to make videos about June, because June I expect to really have at least another car on the platform. So I'm trying to increase it. The thing is, the more car you have, the more busy you are, and yeah, so it's gonna be a challenge. So this is all I wanted to show you guys. If you continue watching and subscribe my channel, I'll definitely share a lot of information to you. In fact, my next video I want to talk about my reviews, how to get good reviews on Turo, what to do to prevent from getting bad reviews. I'm still a 5-star host, and share some great tips with my experience. It's important for you to take this very seriously. As you can see, I have 5-star, no bad reviews yet. I mean, I've been doing this since February. Everyone seems to be very happy, but you can prevent yourself from getting bad reviews. So definitely, if you continue subscribing this channel and keep watching my videos, I'll make more, and that's how it goes. And thank you so much again for watching.